Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to talk a bit about the installation of profiles in HiCAD. Here in this dialog, we have a variety of options. For example, I have the possibility to take profiles from the catalog and select prototypes from predefined cross-sections. Of course, I also have the option to create a sketch here and then bring it into D. In this case, I have selected the catalog here. And when I press this button, I enter the catalog. Here, I naturally have the option to choose from all standard profiles. And of course, from my own profiles, which I can store myself, I have stored my own profiles here. You can also see in the preview that I have a profile shaft here, which I can, of course, install normally. Of course, I also have the option to choose from all the standard profiles here. Below, I naturally have the further option to define the various materials, whether they are aluminum profiles or whatever. Everything is available in the catalog. I would like to simply take a form tube here. And next, I have the options to install it perpendicular to a processing plane, which I need when I am on a plane or in a section. Or as an example here with 2 points. Furthermore, I have the opportunity to choose the installation variant here. So at which point do I want to install this, which can of course be changed at any time later, or I might want to select a specific point. On special profiles, in this case I stay in my NAIA center and can easily specify the starting point at any time, and you can immediately see the end point in the preview. You can immediately see from the graphic that this profile would now be 2 meters long and would be installed at a right angle. With the second click, I defined the preview for this profile, and with the middle mouse button, this profile would be immediately installed. I can select the next point here at any time and install a second profile. Middle mouse button, and it will be installed immediately. So in this case, when I finish this command here, I have installed 4 profiles. These 4 profiles are installed here at some distance, and I also want to show in this short video how I can easily define these profiles to a specific size. In this case, I change my display mode and can click on this profile. So I hover over it with the mouse, right click, and say I want to move this profile. I select these 2 edges with the left mouse button, and HiCAD immediately shows me the current distance. In the calculator, I go to the last position here and say, in this case, I want 1200, and I immediately have the desired distance. I do the same with the upper profile, and in this case, I want to have 2500 as the distance. Now I have my outer distances here, and the simplest command in steel construction is, of course, the miter. That means I select the ends of the profiles one after the other and have these profiles immediately cut to miter. If I bring this back to the D view and into an axonometry, I can immediately see that I have easily created a form tube frame with 4 profiles. Of course, I can change the distances and the size of this form tube frame at any time, and the commands here would be identical